Through today's program, we will revisit our highlights, align our vision for the future, and honor those who have made outstanding contribution to our organization.
This town hall is an opportunity for us to reflect on our progress and align on our goals ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Patrick Go.
Since June 2025, we continue to grow as a unified Pacific Cross and Paramount family. Together, we have strengthened our position as a trusted provider of innovative and accessible health insurance solutions across the region. None of this, of course, would have been possible without your talent, your teamwork, and drive. Mari jadikan tahun 2026 amazing.
Yay!
Terima kasih.
Please welcome Mr. Kenneth Yu.
As we look ahead, let us focus on expanding our provider network to strengthen partnerships, leveraging digital tools to enhance customer engagement, and developing talent to provide capabilities for growth.
And please welcome Pak Andri to present the 2026 presentation.
Ini adalah visi dan goals kita yang sudah ada sebelumnya. Dari tahun ke tahun kami membangun ini dan teman-teman sudah berkontribusi banyak di dalam visi dan goals yang ada ini. Goals kita jelas. Sustainable and profit growth. Operational excellence. Digital enablement dan strong governance and compliance. Saya yakin di tahun 2026 ini kita bisa berjalan lebih baik dengan disiplin yang ada dan dukungan dari teman-teman semua. Saya punya keyakinan di tahun 2026 kita menjadi lebih baik lagi.